Hi, my name is Dr. Fitz, and you're watching another episode of Fitz Wildlife Adventures. In today's episode, I'm going to be talking about the emu. What is the emu? Well, here's a hint. Emus are actually related to dinosaurs. I'm going to explain exactly what I mean in a little bit. But first, I'm going to give you some facts about emus. Emus are actually the second largest bird found on Earth. The largest birds found on Earth are ostriches. That's right. Emus are not quite as big as ostriches, but emus do get big. They are basically flightless birds. That means that they cannot fly. They can run. So, some of them are recorded as running as fast as up to 30 miles per hour. That's right. Now, in Australia, everyone knows them. Everyone actually, are admired by them. Admire them a lot. Now, in the emu world, females are slightly larger than males. And for the most part, when the eggs are laid, the males are the one that actually incubates the eggs and actually stays with the chicks most of the time. So, it's kind of like, the roles reverse in the sense that the males do a lot of the upbringing of the chick. Both parents do it, but the males are the ones that actually, again, incubate the eggs and, and show more of a caring attitude towards the eggs. Mothers do also, of course, right? Which I think is kind of interesting, and also, ostriches and emus are different, by size, but also even by the feet. Emus, for instance, have 3 toes, whereas ostriches have only 2 toes on their feet. The way emus protect themselves, believe it or not, is that at the end of the toes, they have very sharp claws, which they can use to actually slash, predators or opponents. And they have, wings, you could say, but remember, these birds cannot fly. So they use their wings allow when they run, they actually do stuff like this with their wings. And scientists believe that they do that just to balance themselves when they're running. And they have claws, like a claw at the end of the wings, believe it or not. I think that's pretty cool. The main diet consists of plants and some insects and stuff like that, And actually also, when the baby emus are born, it takes around 6 months for them to get full size. That's crazy. Just think about that. It takes humans 18 years, 20 years to get quote-unquote full height. But with emus, it takes only 6 months. As you can see, they grow fast. Birds grow fast in general, Now, as far as the diet, again, like I explained, for the most part, it's plants and, animals, invertebrates like bugs and stuff. But some emus have actually been seen going weeks without eating. Like, for instance, when the males are actually incubating the egg, sometimes they'll go a long time without eating. And they will get smaller just from doing that, So, most birds have to eat a lot because birds have very fast metabolism. But apparently some emus can actually go weeks without eating. That's just, man. Emus also have good eyesight and good hearing. That helps them a lot, obviously, out there in the wild because, they're always looking out for any potential predators or any potential opponents. So, again, now, some people actually do have emus as pets. They're very big birds. Again, some of them get as high as, or as tall as 6 feet, 2 inches tall sometimes. Again, females are actually slightly larger. And they can weigh up to 130 pounds. Imagine that. A bird weighing more than you. Up to 130 pounds. That's just unheard of. Alright? Now, I want you to actually take a look of an emu. Alright? And tell me what you think. Check this out. These are called emus, not ostriches, emus. They're very, very large birds. And even though they look kind of awkward, they're actually very fast birds. They are flightless birds, so basically they cannot fly at all. But they rely on their speed to get away from predators. And they have very, very dangerous claws that when threatened, they can swing their feet around and try to slash anything that comes near them. Awesome, huh? So how big that bird was? Those were two big birds, and those are actually emus, right? So very shy, but also curious at the same time, right? So, and I think those emus were about a year old. And like I said, they actually get full size around 6 months. So that's as big as they're going to get, you know. But they were young birds. So now, when I return from the show, I'm going to talk about dinosaurs. That's right. Dinosaurs, like the Jurassic Park movies. You know, T-Rexes and all the cool stuff like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back in time. That's right, go back in time millions of years ago to see dinosaurs. And you know what? I might even change my clothes to try to fit the dinosaur theme. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'll be right back. Welcome back to Fitz Wildlife Adventures. So like I said, in this part of the show, we're going way back to prehistoric times. millions and millions of years ago. Because now we're talking about dinosaurs. And as you can see, I got my dinosaur outfit on. Remember back in the days, remember the cartoon called the Flintstones? Fred Flintstone used to wear this. So I figured, hey, since I'm talking about dinosaurs now, I might as well wear the same thing Fred wore. So Fred Flintstone used to say yabba dabba do, and I'm gonna say yabba yabba don't. Don't wear this, but I'm wearing it for the show. So now, dinosaurs. What about dinosaurs? I'm sure many people have seen the movie Jurassic Park with the huge Tyrannosaurus Rex, you know, the big T-Rex. Then you have the smaller Velociraptors and the other dinosaurs that was there. I have been fascinated by dinosaurs ever since I heard of them. What makes dinosaurs so cool, huh? Well, for me, it's just the fact that some of them got very, very large. The most famous one for sure is probably the T-Rex. T-Rex has a huge head, huge tail to balance that head, short arms, but the arms are actually very, very powerful. And they can get as long as 40 feet. That's just mind-boggling, you know? Now, scientists believe, well, you know, these days anyway, scientists believe that the T-Rex was a predator, you know, like an active predator. And probably also, you know, ate dead animals. That's right, you know. So, in the past, scientists just thought that T-Rex was just hunters and just predators only. But they are actually, now these days, they actually think that they were actually scavengers also. Predators and scavengers, meaning that they hunt for food, but they also will eat dead food if they come across them. Alright? Now, again, since we're back in time, kind of, I'm going to go ahead and show you a baby dinosaur. Watch. Look what I have here. It's a baby dinosaur. It's a baby T-Rex. How you doing? How's everything? Well, can I touch you? Can I pet you? Wow. Look at the eyes on this sucker. Are you gonna say hi? Come on, say hi. Let's put you right here. Wow. Now, as you can see, like I was saying before, they have the short arms, the big head, big tail, used to just, you know, balance each other. All right. So, of course, you know, T-Rex has very, very sharp teeth, and they get big. Big, big, big. And there's also other types of dinosaurs also. Like the Velociraptors. Those are actually smaller than the T-Rex. But very, very, very aggressive animals. Also meat eaters. Then you have other dinosaurs who actually ate plants only. Like the Brontosaurus. Those are believed to eat plants. I believe, right? Now, I don't know what's going on. I hope this guy's mother does not come around, because if she does, it's not gonna be a pretty sight. Uh-oh. Well, I think he's getting mad. So like I was saying before, you know, scientists believe that these guys were actually predators and also scavengers, meaning they ate dead and live animals. Alright? So, another thing about these guys is that, I hear something. Shh. I hear something. It actually sounds like... It sounds like footsteps. Uh-oh. I think this guy's mother is looking for his baby. Oh boy. Oh boy. I don't know what's going on. I think I better put this guy back. Alright? Because I don't want his mother to come after me. Oh, man. I put him away, so hopefully the mother... Uh-oh. I still hear the footsteps. And the footsteps are getting closer. I hope the mother is not out to get me. Okay. Oh man, I'm glad I put that dinosaur back because those footsteps are scaring me. So again, like I was saying before, dinosaurs are cool animals, you know. They were around millions of years ago, and I just hope I was actually there when they was around. And some of them are very deadly, but also, uh-oh, I think I see something. I think the mother dinosaur is mad. Ah, I'm back. I'm back, and I'm dressed in my normal clothes that I wear for the show. Man, that was crazy. Now, on a serious note, so, like I was saying before, birds are actually very closely related to dinosaurs. In fact, most researchers actually believe that birds are like a group of dinosaurs called theropods. Theropods includes the velociraptors, like in Jurassic Park, and also the T-Rex. Basically, dinosaurs that that are bipedal, meaning walking on two legs. All right. So there are a lot of characteristics that even the very first known bird have with that group of dinosaurs. For instance, one of the bones in the pelvic area called the pubis is actually very similar to dinosaurs. They have elongated arms and forelimbs and clawed hands. And, they also have large orbits. The orbits are basically, the opening of the skull. Even the eggs are very similar. Also, the air-filled bones and the wishbone. Everyone knows what the wishbone is on a chicken, right? So the point I'm saying is that even though it may not seem like it because birds have all these feathers and stuff like that, but they're actually, again, some scientists believe they're actually literally dinosaurs. Even the birds today are actually, dinosaurs or dinosaur-like. If you watch the way they walk and move, it's almost like a reptile, meaning it's almost like a dinosaur. So next time you see one of these birds, like an ostrich or an emu, look at it for a second and just watch it walk. You're gonna be surprised how the more you look at it, then the more you're gonna realize that, man, it actually moves like a dinosaur. In theory, right? So the idea, in fact, some people have probably heard of birds being dinosaurs, or at least, very close to them. Jurassic Park, the movie, was probably the first time some people actually heard that term where, birds and dinosaurs are actually closely related. But I know it sounds far-fetched, but that's what it is, alright? So hopefully, I want y'all to do some research, look it up, and you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about. And as far as the emu that I showed you on the show today also, emus are cool birds, big birds. Again, they actually eat plants and animals, invertebrates and bugs and stuff like that. And emus are the second largest bird found on Earth. And the ostrich is the largest bird found on Earth, alright? And remember, birds, dinosaurs, most scientists believe that they are actually related. So, once again, thank you for watching Fitz Wildlife Adventures. And thank you for going with me millions of years ago to look for dinosaurs. And I did show you a baby dinosaur, right? Let's see if I could, find him again. There he goes. Are you gonna say bye to everybody? Say bye. Say bye. I don't know if he's gonna say bye to you, but I'm saying bye, right? So, again, thank you for watching Fitz Wildlife Adventures. My name is Dr. Fitz, and I'll see you next time. Bye.